Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this to your daily update on Bitcoin. And today we can actually be relatively positive, because yesterday we finally got the bullish breakout. It's a bit of a reversal right now, so that's very bullish. We're at that first major resistance level right here between. Well, I would actually say that like if you zoom out. The main resistance level is around 64,000, but we have gotten a nice bullish breakout. What we talked about in the last couple of videos is that Bitcoin was consolidating very much right here, right? So kind of consolidating. And then yesterday we started to gain momentum, and then we actually got the breakout above the most important level, 62,200. So what I wanted to talk about in this video is what that means, what this means for July. Will we have a bullish month? Can this actually turn into a bull run, etc.? Is this a real breakout, or are we just going to fall back down like this? All very possible, so that's what we'll talk about, all right? But in the end, I'll just try to give you a full analysis here. I'll try to talk about everything you need to know. So let's get right into it. Hope you had a great weekend as well. It's a bit like we'll dive straight into Bitcoin, because we have some, obviously we have the Mt. Gox news, etc. And we still have the German government selling off Bitcoin, or at least presumably. And we have some major economic events, but those are starting on Wednesday. So I don't think we need to talk too much about that right now. Most importantly, we got the breakout, all right? And we have actually talked about, even yesterday we, or at least I talked about this breakout above 62,200, and that I did expect it. The thing is though, because we got very nice bottom signals here with this move last Monday, and then apart from that, yesterday and throughout the weekend, we were already gaining some nice momentum. Like here you can see the open interest. And you can see that since the 30th, but also on Saturday already, we got some short positions that closed, which is nice to see. All right, short positions closing is not the momentum you want, but it's bullish. And now you can see that the open interest since yesterday morning has seen a continuous rise with a positive CVD. And the last time we've seen something like this is a very long time ago. All right, so that in combination with the bottom signals we had makes me believe that this move is actually real. Now, I do think we need some confirmation, all right? Because on the other hand, like I said, we have some fundamentals that are less bullish as well now in July. And you can see the volume right now is around $21 billion. That's relatively low, all right? With $21 billion, the circumstances are different, right? It's the summer, so less volume is to be expected. But for this move to really stick, I think that volume needs to get to at least like 30 billion. And I do expect that, because I also expect a pullback. And with that pullback, more volume and more liquidations, etc. will happen. So I think the volume will be fine. But in general, I think we need confirmation. All right. So right now, if we look at this previous move, I would say the most important level to hold is that level we broke above at 62,200. All right, if you look at that right now, you can see there we basically have all the technical support. We have the 382 FIB, we have the 200 EMA. It's a real key level as well, most importantly. So what I expect is that we will have some sort of a pullback into that area. So that's, with the area I kind of mean between like 62,700 and 62,000. But if we're able to hold that, which honestly I do expect, like I said, for reasons given earlier, what we're seeing right now with the momentum, and also what we saw last week after hitting the bottom here, or at least the local bottom, I do expect this to hold. And then apart from that, if we really zoom out, like if we zoom out to the weekly time frame or the monthly, you cannot really see this, but we actually got a relatively bullish monthly close here. Above some sort of a key level right here at 60, also around 62,000, but also all the way down to 61,500. That's bullish. If you zoom out to the 3-day time frame, you cannot really see anything, but the daily time frame also bullish, broke above a significant Fibonacci level. So for now, I am bullish. All right, I do want to see confirmation that we can hold support and that we actually gain more momentum from support. But I see no reason at this moment to suspect that we won't. All right, so short term, what I expect is a bit of a pullback into that level around 62,000, and then a continuation up to 64,500 at least. But those are my thoughts for now. I'll be back with a afternoon market update later today, so keep your eyes open for that. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.